September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Good morning. Faku ka imbual zo tia. Ka imbual zo tia. Chuanin ka insia mga he kampanin penga kang kaldo na chuan beng kang kalzo. Kanu ihan in part-time job anei thina thakata voi khatte kal thina ka zui thina tunrum chu he beng te kal dong ka zui man lawa. Thil zuar thin chuan nails te tiang vel mo indict na ang chi tiang thil te zuar ve thina mo la kan vakal don ni chu kan vatlonga kan kalna te ela muzel don chawni kanin chei tran photanga mo enla mai vel hi chei chung rei bera thomnoi chu nakina ka hanga karon lang se langa ui ka shitlang do Good morning. Cái dây dầu chắc kan pa te thila thei ni la mo so ta a phone thei ni ni so chan avalut lo ka nakina kan khan ma te kan lo lang sam kin noi tai tok ni sa box ya noi tai pe ta ni chu te ko ko ni vo chu Christmas night to le me na te po an tlakol he lung len thak chuan helai hian thil hmu du chau ka nei mo nge trailer house an tia the maid movie Netflix en thin chu in shanga in hi sei puta azaw lo ni chu ma se I khang in kha to lo ni chu mo atlo mani chu he Saturday ka lak dei to khania bank kha te kan vakala ma sen lo khara Friday kal turin kan in tile ta khania chuanin evo in chuanin kanu mo la thil zuara angi a kan vatlong a lunch te kan ken sak do na kan lo vlog se langa en lo ka that chelu tu ka Saturday vlog te to ti hang edit pei lok lawa tunan ka rom post le tu no late post ang daw khamin lo ngai sakula chuanin heta hianin 7 day biakin hei left side a hian mu theinga 7 day biakin oma ta hian membership transfer te ka vania ka vakal boka aizola tangin ka member Mizoram tangkhanin ka transfer a tuna cho heta hian ka soma phakatte ka tho thei to do na member ka ni to don ni chumo Good morning. Hey, baby.
Hey, good morning.
Tuna hian Starbucks order turin drive thru akangkala kan Buffalo Wild Wings order turte already lo wangin 13 minutes nga tur khan ti thausia chuanin kan vakal turi line so thui to hei ma car zong hi line na omve kanita so ta hnunga kan vein line theilawa a chan chu kong pui ni to sia kong kan block fek dona an location hi thalo khop meya Starbucks si America chuan an war ma wang hian weekends pe chuan a busy thei to pe weekends ani ban line hi sei ke ni hi adum ka dum lai mi a hen ai hnungai ding tur kanita ka ahnung che mi hian mi ron lu khal tal chuanin hei mi swal ani chuan mo swal ve dau dau hinom ni chu kan lut thei don lo ta ma se min lu tir ve turanga yang o ka min lu tir sha ma hei kain la na ka pain e mi pa ngai takani atia mo anga ngel ve lu to ka hei rei dau nga kha pe bi lo tu na hen kan ngak me kan ni o kan lo lang se lang.
Then people that just sit there and not pay attention, oh, I can move up. Oh, I'm complaining.
Make faces. Hey, baby.
Yeah.
Many people say, do you know how to drive? They
Yes.
ask, say motor khala.
Moto kara.
Kathiam lutok. But you're renewing your license, right? Did you do already? Or not
Me?
yet?
No, mine's good for 2 more years.
I thought mom said, maybe John? I don't know. That you guys need to renew your
I think
license.
mom does.
Ah.
I get to do mine through mail.
You're gonna teach me how to drive one day.
Yeah, we'll let you teach.
Or daddy gonna teach me how to drive. Hey, can order na kiti.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, I'm going to just one moment.
Okay, thank you.
Hello. Hello, are you available?
So what am I getting, Tori?
2 mocha cookie crumbles.
2 mocha cookie crumbles and a caramel ribbon. Crunch. Frappe. All frappes, right?
Tell her, don't yell.
Don't. 2 mocha cookie crumble frappes and a...
What sizes are those?
What's that? All right, thank you.
Only straw today? Only straw today?
Only straw.
I'm waiting for my food to arrive. Look at that.
Green straw.
That's so cool, right? Daddy! Wow, yummy. This for
Huh?
my husband.
Yeah.
Hey, come buy go, Daddy,
You
baby.
got one more coming?
And this one for me.
All right.
Hey, kay Inturnia. What is the name, baby?
Mocha cookie crumble.
Yeah, that's written here. Mocha cookie frampe. They write frampe, baby. Wow, looks so good. Let's check it out. What's Daddy having? What's that, Daddy?
It
Looks
is
good, right?
a-
Caramel?
yeah, it is a caramel crunch frappe.
Oh.
Rice.
Dito. Tuyem. Tuyem.
So I looked up.
Tuylo to. Hovan fat kan dua baka kanu kha lunch ay pui kan du semola mo thila zorwang Buffalo Wild Wings anti mo hemi restaurant sports bar anti anga hianin kan kalchina kan pa favorite ania chanin athak thei ema ar sabop kan raw so sang ne na anti te chuan chen chu ru tel lawan siam te chanin a wings mo he ar thla te tyang kha ta hian an zor brand min ber chunita alar to pe US a chanin mi hianin in khel en tur ten beer te inin kami chicken wings vel vei khan an thukhom chinta ki TV sang an da ki tikhan nuam an ti thei top ta America chuanin sports bar ang tiang hi an ngai sang to pani chu zun vein thei bok nang kha chuanin helai so song hui kha ka vlog na vela pukla wei thin ang hau khan ta chon a hnoi bera eng pia cha mi hi I en lau ghost pepper anya thak top ta ma se kan cho hi kan food order hi up satang kan order wang payment kan pan lau ti vek to sia chu wangin Friday ya kan kal le don thawa tia kan bengal na berlo close awang khanin Friday kan kal huna kan leizok me don nia tia payment kan ti to si tia chon tuna hang kan ngak me ka chon already vele kan nubla kan kalang kan pa le kapa hi chuanin kan nubulan e puya kai chu sauce po engma ka dulo ina kai ma sauce ngai soya sauce le marcha ti pol kha kai du don wang ina rice nen ke e don mo chuanin ka e na te po kha I mukbang in America hang kron vlog to kha video kron dat lai do le ka chan chu I lau ka that chelu to ka kron da chau ni tu na hianin hei chu Saturday kan chuan na day ani to what did they say
She's gonna check on it. Perfect. Thank you.
Inge ka na idon what we gonna eat
You're having wings.
Buffalo
sauce.
wall. You're gonna have sandwich.
Yep. Buffalo chicken ranch. So good.
It sounds yummy, right? Thanks, baby. Thanks for the lunch. Kalom lu tuke. Kakar local. Where's Daddy? That's the one, right? Okay, go. Go.
Oh, Marshalls?
I love Marshall. Kanu kan throw do na lần chân ấy bây giờ thấy đồ là mua lại hiện mua thì hắn này giờ làm ăn là India làm ăn làm quý sáng đó đồ hắn cái đó mua lại hiện nhưng thì là zuar về chỉ là weekend sa part time job cho tùy vàng mấy sợi thị đó cái thằng chia mua chú cho nên cái đồ ấy đồ hay bây giờ nó khai à cần phải ấy bùi nghe show me your drinks. Oh, I'm more higher than yours. So Marshall, my favorite.ให้มี make quarters ปรับตีพอฮี restaurant bars เท่านี้ sports bar เท่าตัว baby
Sports bar. Actually, I don't know. I assume so. I've never been in. But
I saw someone look like mom, but I don't think she's out that girl. I thought it's mom.
slow.
Get daddy. Put that slow. Put that slow. I'm wrong with to put that to that event. Hey, Tihan and Zota, are they selling this? What's it for? What are these for?
The vehicle? It's an off-road unit, so it can go.
Oh, this is so cool. How much? Only $200? Oh, loan ka? 10,000 aman niya. Wow, baby. Daddy, what's this for? Mowing? Is it? Oh, for pleasure? Oh, they decorate already.
Do you know where she's at?
I know. Usually, we will find out right away. See. Oh, they decorate already here. You see that, baby? Dinosaurs. They say Santa is here. And they're selling moped here. You see the moped? Here. Look at that. This is for kids though, right? This one. $1 Zalileti. Look at it. This is so cool. The leg is so big. But they are expensive. 8-6. Diyan mo lang kilan zuar version so we can asan kanu chu so ta so no. Sometimes mom changes her seat, so we'll go check out. Mola lo thu hiat lang puin pension to le upalam hliran ni thina I engi an tui zong te an ti ve chen chen chuan pickle siam te nuam an ti ta khang kha zoran chak ve an va thut don hian I in our flea market an ti ta hemi an thut don hian $50 Saturday le Sunday chaw va thut thein ha an choi ve thau ni chu so ta song kanu thu bok ta lunch kan ei pui don na kai chong kai don lo kan pa te ho khan ei pui anga ke chu ina kai anga fries vel chaw kai don ni mo hei kanu chu lai hi lo omani hi fries. Okay, that's for mom, right?
Yeah, there's two.
Did you guys bring in your food?
Yeah.
He's just gonna. He went to toilet. He's gonna go to Rule King later, but not now. That's for me, yeah.
For later.
Yeah, I may eat one, just one maybe. Oh, I'll eat some of that. Hey, onion rings and onion rings dihan at sunga onion baby inside onions there, right?
Yeah.
And kang tala to pinso na ma chuan. He kanu nail zor ve how ni ta enge America chuan upalam pang hianin ingi helai Octavia kan ti mo tiakin na sa chan chu thau chi thau tam tak in dai na tang han chalu tuka thau to tak tak ta te khan china ke po ka via tir khan ma se hi ka tlak do tak nuwa la thau tho mai la he ka zia do nuwa ka stop me chan chu to lom top ta king ho ki chon nil te hi $10 in ativek to ma chon som pali dollar som pali te ni ta chuanin I kanu hi chuanin zor avat lok pui pui ka shelawa shal thavak lo ma sen nuwa motivation shima hei a chan nu ni ta til sang nge no pang bakil cute do te korte mo awarding ang te tiang te kha siam chin ta ina pon pan chin ani chuan na dang nei lawa he na ber ina po lok ve po ni me thei kanu ei zon na ai ang tak te chu hospital de in ta ma se tu na anil zor ve chu no motive ma se lok thak lo hi ka tia
Buffalo chicken ranch.
Mom, is it cold? Yeah.
Taste out?
No, Daddy.
Yeah, take one.
You remember what I was saying.
Nothing round.
This one is good. Thanks for the lunch, baby. Daddy had burgers? That looks very juicy.
Your wings are here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have just one piece. I'm gonna eat it at home and probably with rice. Look, Mom. Go in school. Mom, they have what do you call? What sauce they have?
Naked.
No.
Ghost pepper.
Yeah, but
The Carolina
we didn't buy because we already pay money online, so we'll buy next time. Oh my God, they still got hair. You see that? I'm going home and make it crunchy in the fire first. I'm not eating now. Thanks for the lunch. Kita kalay pila wa fries vil to kaya na kay do nan chol ne. Hey mi sang pon thilan zuar mo lo zuar pe chu antar to mo hey na tho te do lo no atian yang ten siam an zuar ve chin chu helaya was two tour yanin $50 ka only for 2 days, right? They pay $50 or for a month.
No, for the weekend.
Weekend
They
ni
can
to
go
thuna $50 ang pe ngai chon thil sang min siam ni chu ta han hey tie dye ko. That's cute. Tie dye ko sang te han siam ta ni chu an lo swar be se la. Where's Daddy? Hey, ka dream bike. My dream bike. Hey, he rural king. We talk and zong doni. And we talk to. Hey, that's so cool.
I was trying to pull it.
There. Good job.
I know where to find Hey Scarlett, you told me, need some for Scarlett. How about Zimba? You're not getting for Zimba? How about Tori Cat? That's Tori Cat. I don't like Zimba. I like only Scarlett. Ito Scarlett to ko dua, Tori to Zimba dua mo.
How big the 40?
Ito ito.
5 to 39 pounds. That's probably too small a bone.
That's for what? The bones to play with?
This one's
No, for her
40
teeth.
plus.
Ah, like when she brush her teeth. It's
Yeah.
the brush.
40 plus.
Oh, let me show them then.
Yeah, she's over 40, I think.
Hey, he dental bones kan te kha ma kan soi do hanot kati khano mi no zot to te kha. There are people asking me, so I'm just gonna stay. They just eat it, right? And they cleanse their teeth, right?
Oh,
Is
yeah,
it?
she would probably
Yeah.
swallow the whole
Oh,
thing.
and kahang kanda to Scarlett kahang kanda top ta ni chu chuanin chuing ve la nga choi an ka hai chuanga ha fai do ni chu hano ti khan han dia no top khan lo hi hano na ang ve mo dental bones ti ni chu. Okay, thank you. I love you, my baby, my cameraman. Put her. Hey, mi cage kan lei do na tori an fa kan nei huna. My husband said we'll buy this cage for the kids if they cry, right?
Yes.
What? One cry?
Just one.
Say one cry what? If they cry, right? Pakhatle kan tapon pali kan nei chuan if we have even 4 kids and if one cry also all of them go in, right?
Yes.
Hey, for whom? For human being or for the dog? Hey, if it's my hometown, we're probably gonna make soup out of it. Why you guys don't take care of Simba and take care of only Scarlett? Hey, kay chong kalak chong astel hi kan panalak ve chong chingai ro ing ting TV. Ya na ti. I believe I can fly. Hey, we cho shang ni me. We run dorang top mo hai vai meme. What is this food? No la bazui. Vai meme chi. Oh my god, they have so much peanuts. Hey, ingi kha badam baking. Hey, ama kan zote lon chin na tin mi ron zo khamo kan in bula kan tar kha. Baby, is it the same as from near our TV? Tori. Similar, right? Hey, tiang hinit. Huh? They asked me, oh, it's called Get 3 large. $109 ni chu. $109 ni chu. Zale cheng kwa India chuanin. Probably 109 into 75 around 8,000 rupees. 8,000 vel to ni vel on hi cheng sang riat vel to ni vel.
Feathers just make sticky. Hey, I like those. Let's get the birds. They got feathers.
Peanut butter. Okay, we can get it. Wow. I feel like Putter want me to get fat. I feel like Putter want me to be tau. Let's go, Daddy.
Wait, Dad, there's your soda, too.
No, it's not.
They say we can come here. They say we can come. Even cute, ma'am, it's for daddy. It's for Putter. Akapay, hey, Leila din. But, oh, this is for mowing?
Yeah, then you
Grass cut na, ikan chuta pa nga, di ka? Really? Oh my God, that's good. Did they make good money? No. Let me see the price of Christmas tree here. These are the fresh real tree? Oh, $39. Okay. Hey, tayo chuan no zuar ve thon chu Christmas tree a tak tak ang kha som thum pakwa anti ni chu. Huh? But we're gonna see the real from the garden, right? From the they're not worth it. They're not good. Ole hi kam bazar so to kan chua ka benga te kan kala ka pa niya I kam license te po kan vati felvek to so ta ingi MVI mi kha. What's the MVI? DMV sa diglaw kang kalbo ka so ang bengati kang kalama sila in hong lo beng tak ka to he tang tupanya bye bye ron tiro le lalzaw see you next video. Daddy, you want to say something for our viewers?
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time. Daddy's gonna retire, so we probably gonna do some time live and teach him mizo. He's gonna have mizo class. So mizo class then don't suputa rayan mo. Okay, let's go. Bye bye. Oh, kayo pulay doon yan.